Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the demo of how can we create a digital signature in Oracle Apex. So it is a very long process. So already I have added one video to how can we preview the PDF files in Oracle Apex. So based on the same method, I have added a little bit extra JavaScripts to write a digital sign. For example, here I just created some static regions. So here whatever you write, it will come. So for example, I will put it as Apex, and whatever you will write, you can able to do that. And if you want to download this written statements or digital signatures, you just click the download, and automatically it will be converted and save it as a PDF file. So it has been downloaded. I am just open that. You can see like Apex. So how I achieve this, like I just use some external JavaScript codes to refer this, and I just created some custom JavaScript function to convert this. Initially it will be converted as a SVG image. After that I just converted it to a PDF format. Okay, so this is the basic one. And if you have any other PDF documents, you can able to override it. For example, I'm just trying to upload one PDF file here. After that I'm going to click the view. Now you can able to see the PDF file, right? So for example, this is the sample PDF which has been downloaded from the internet. So for example, I just want to highlight this function. So what I am going to do, like I just create some box for this. After that I just want to highlight these features or something like this, underline these functions. I am just going to underline this, and finally I'm just going to create some signature for this. So I just put it as Apex, something like this. And finally you want to download this PDF. I just click the download. So whatever things we have added this here, you can able to see as it is a PDF. First thing is we have set the box here. You can able to see that, and I have highlighted, underlined this line, and also finally I just created the signature. So how I achieve this is nothing but I just created some extra piece of code in here, and after that I just added some custom JavaScript functions and a piece of codes in the referral here. So based on the things, I can able to achieve this. In case if anyone need this piece of code, just comment your email ID in the comment box. I am ready to help you out. So I hope it will be useful to you. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.